Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to print selected pages in PDF. You know, Adobe is the most popular dedicated PDF reader. So open your PDF file in the Adobe Reader and then click on the file in the top menu and click on the print. You can also press Ctrl+P for the shortcut. In the print option, first you need to select your printer, and now here look for the pages to print section. Now select the pages radio button and type your desired pages into the text box. If you want to take the first 5 pages print, then you need to type 1-5 and click on the print. For the specific spots, for this you need to type, for example, 2, 10th page, and for example 15 page, and you need to press print if you need only those specific prints. For a mixed type, for example, you need to take the print of the first page, space, and take the print of the 4-6 pages and then click on the print. Keep in mind, before hitting that final print button, look at the print preview on the right side of the window. It will show you exactly which page is in your new selection. If the image in the preview is not what you expanded, double check your page number in the text box. So once the preview looks right, click print at the bottom. Adobe will then send only those specific instructions to your printer. Now click print, and that's all. This way you can easily print selected pages in PDF. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.